Look out! My purse! No!
Come on, Star!
I got this. Narrow blast! Mom?
I'm not your mom.
Huh? For corn's sake, Star Butterfly, this is the third time you've ruined my prison tower. Couldn't you have used one of the holes you already made?
Sorry. We just wanted to triple check to make sure we hadn't missed anything.
I believe I told you before, let me say it again, Queen Moon's not here.
You know, this is all your mom's fault anyway. Keeping secrets and conspiring with evil queens.
I know things are a little shaky right now, but it's not my mom's fault.
Yeah, I suppose you're right. It's your fault.
Yes, the moment you're in charge, you just hand the whole kingdom over to the Queen of Darkness and her frozen monster husband. How's that feeling? Too tight?
Oh, no, you could go tighter.
Now, with Queen Eclipse in charge, I'm no longer allowed to imprison monsters. No, I've had to resort to imprisoning humans, and, well, you know, I'm just not as passionate about that.
How about just not imprisoning anybody?
How about you let me keep doing my job, and I'll let you keep ruining everything for everybody?
Fine!
Princesses, am I right?
Totally.
Gonna get